Do you want to know how you can disable the Hey Google function on your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the Hey Google function using Gemini AI or your Google Assistant. Go ahead and open Gemini, which is on your phone. Click on the profile, which you can see on the top right hand corner, and then go to settings. After you click on settings, click on Google Assistant features on Gemini. You can see Hey Google and voice match. Tap on it and you can see this button over here which says Hey Google. If you tap on it, you can enable it, or if you do not want to use the Hey Google function, go ahead and click on it, and if it turns gray, it is off. But if you want to turn it on, tap on it again, and if it turns blue, it means that Hey Google is currently on. So this is how you disable the Hey Google function. All you need to do is go to your Gemini AI, tap on your profile on the top right hand side, tap on the settings, and then go to Google Assistant features in Gemini. Tap Hey Google and voice match, and then tap on this button. This way, you can disable your Hey Google function. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.